Hey, Buttons Fix It here. Today we are working on a 2018 Toyota Sienna minivan, and we are replacing this rear running lamp. It's not the brake lamp bulb, this is just your regular running lamp. Let's get into how to get this thing fixed. Unfortunately, you do need to gain access to that bulb underneath this panel here, so you do have to do a little bit of body work. If you're looking on the passenger side, there's this little divot here, lets you get access with a tool. I'm using a body work tool here. I highly recommend picking up a set of these. I got this kit that you see here. I got that years ago on Amazon. It was less than $20 for that whole assortment of stuff. Really nice for letting you access and pull off various pieces of bodywork without damaging the plastic or paint. All right, so starting on this side, you work your way down, popping out these clips. Those will come out, we'll talk about that in a second. So starting with the body pins, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across the bottom row. Once you get all those loose, these clips are up in there. They're pretty tough to get out. So basically what I did was, use this tool and gave it a good push like that, and then gently work them down and out of the metal here. I was then able to start on the second row. Again, I'm working on the passenger side, and just remove the first one from the second row. And that was just enough for me to, okay, here I am. I got my elbow holding down this panel, a little tricky while trying to hold the camera and do this. That's the reverse bulb, and then that's the taillight bulb that we're replacing. Just grab that, counterclockwise, quarter twist, pull it right out. That is our burnt bulb right there. All right, so oopsie. Okay, now that you get the socket out, that bulb just pulls straight out. We're replacing that with a 168 bulb. Okay, new bulb just slides right in to the socket there. I typically always wear gloves when I do it, just to keep the bulb clean. Probably overkill for a tail lamp bulb, but hey, gloves are sitting right there, might as well use them. This just slides right back up. Quarter turn clockwise, lock it in, make sure it's secured. Okay, now that we got the bulb in here, good idea to double check to make sure that your new bulb is working before you go through the effort of putting all that body panel back together. Just be super annoying to do all that, and then, I don't know, something's wrong and that bulb, the new bulb wasn't working. So here we go, and see, we're lit up, we're good to go. So now let's get into putting that body work back together. Now it's just a matter of carefully fishing these plastic clips back where you found them. While I was holding this down earlier, I didn't catch it on the video, but this clip and another one did pop out. You put those, basically just take your time, get those body panel clips fed back up into the holes. Don't rush yourself or break anything. Make sure that you push these big heavy duty clips in. Okay, so I couldn't have both hands free to shoot me putting these things in there, but basically you just grab this whole panel here, kind of twist it a little bit, put one of those bodywork tools or something on this clip, and then you can get that first part fed up and in there. So at that point it's ready to go. Did the same thing on the other side, and then you just line up these body panel clips and just take your time and push them right back home. So there we have it. Tail lamp running bulb replaced. Thanks for watching.